In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to use our 3D product customizer tool. So first, head on to our website, printondemand.com.ph, and you'll notice that there's two sections where you can create 3D models. For the product section, this is where you can create it using the base model. So meaning to say, it's just a plain 3D model. There's no designs on it. It's just a blank canvas for you to work with. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to start with a pre-made design. So I'm going to head over here to the pre-made design section, and I'm going to just randomly choose something here. So you can see we have a lot of different pre-made designs. Go ahead and click on the Customize this product button. And the first thing I want you to do is to maximize to full screen so you can see everything. Now, on your mouse, using your mouse, the right mouse button, tap on the right mouse button and you can move your 3D model up and down. Using the left mouse button, you can press and drag to make your 3D model spin. You can also use the zoom tool on your scroll wheel on your mouse to go zoom in and out. Okay, so on the right side, you're going to see different sections. We're going to start here with the color section. And as you can see, you can open and close each one of these sections here. Let's start with the base color. So for the base color, let's say I want to go with like a blue theme. Just go ahead and tap on the color swatch that you want to change it to. So I'm just going to go ahead and just change some colors here, the textures. Once you're finished and have a design that you want, for example, let's just go with that, we can go to the next section, which is the Logos and Graphics tab. Now, once you tap that, you'll see an Upload Image button. If you were to tap that, you can choose your logo or graphic from your desktop, and it'll upload like so. Go ahead and tap on your uploaded image, and from here, you can grab the handle and enlarge the logo as you desire. You can also move the logo around to different parts of the 3D model. So if, let's say you were to tap on this again, you can move it to the sleeves, for example. Go ahead and rotate it. Let's go to the back. For the next section, let's go to the name and number section. Click on the Add New Text. And here you can input whatever text you want for the back. You can change the font size and font name here. And you can change to italic and bold here, for example. After that, you can also add a number. So clicking on the Add Number section, you can click on Add Number. Go ahead and move the number in place where you want it. Go ahead and change the font as well to what you want. You can also change the color of the font by clicking on the color palette options here. And you can change the font color for the text as well. Now you can move this anywhere on the garment that you want, so it's not necessary to just stay on the back. You can actually move it to the front. For the last section, Essentials, this is where you're ready to place an order, and you can choose the sizes that you wish your item to be produced in. So for example, let's say I have an order for a medium and a large. You can go ahead and choose the options or the values for how many you want. This subtotal is the subtotal without the discount applied. So if you are a monthly subscriber to our membership, you will get a 20% discount off of the listed price. Once you're finished, you can go ahead and add to basket, and it'll add this item to the shopping cart. You can check out and purchase the item. Now, one of the other features is the locker room tool. So for example, let's say I want to save this design so that I could use it later. Click on the Save button, and let's just go ahead and give it a name. For example, Design 1. You can create subfolders as well. Here I had already created the rash guard subfolder. When you click Save, it will go ahead and save that design into the locker room. Now, once it's in the locker room, and let's say you were to exit and come back to it, you can just come back and click on the locker room button and go ahead and find your folder, and you can see your design saved here. Just tap on it and it'll reopen your design, and you can start from there editing it again.